Hey there, quick review and demonstration of this WGGE wire stripper. This wire stripper has about everything you could possibly need. Notice that it is not spring-loaded first off. It makes it a little bit more price-friendly. And also down here, it's got a crimper in the area where a lot of wire strippers have a spring mechanism. So you get wire cutters, wire strippers, bolt cutters, and crimpers all in this one tool. Demonstrating cutting some 12 gauge wire here. If anything, the wire cutter is a little bit on the smaller side, but it'll still do the job just fine. It is nice, both sides of the tool are very clearly labeled for your wire stripper, so you can see on both sides where you need to go with your wire. We do have the loop hole also on one side of the tool. Here we'll strip some 12 gauge wire. Insert it into the hole there, give it a little wiggle, works really well. We've also got our loop hole over here for looping wire around. That works excellent also. We have a bolt cutter on here as well. You'll simply thread your machine screw through, give it a good squeeze, and it'll cut it right off. Overall, this is an excellent value. You can't beat the price point. Personally, I tend to damage wire strippers, so I don't want the absolute top of the line. I want a wire stripper that if I damage it, I can throw it away and buy another one. And this really meets that criteria. So I'd recommend this. It does everything you need it to do.